Ooh, wow, guys, I already got some blackheads. Whoa. Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy. So today I'm gonna do a first impression and tutorial of how to do an aquafacial at home. And I'm gonna be using the WSKIN aquafacial device. I'm gonna be showing my first impressions and how to do it and how my skin reacts. So I will take you guys along with me all the way. So if you want to see how this goes, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about beauty tips and finding things that actually work so I can share with you guys. So if you want to go with me in this journey, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. This product was sent to me by WSKIN for review, but it's not a sponsored video. And when they reached out to me, I actually was super excited because I was gonna buy it. I've seen it everywhere. And because I have very sensitive skin, I often avoid to go to an esthetician to get extractions, even when there was no quarantine, because I have scar from extractions. I usually do my things at home. As you guys know, I have some recipes how to take away blackheads, and I'll put the link on the description box below. That recipe works, but to be completely honest, nothing really removes the deep set old blackheads that I have and whiteheads. And I've noticed that some of them don't really come out with anything that I found that you can use at home in the past. Let me go closer and you guys will be able to see I have gigantic pores, and that's hereditary. And as you get older, the pores actually get even bigger. So I'm pretty excited to find some device to clean the pores, because if you already have large pores and you don't do a deep cleaning, that actually contributes for your pores to get larger, because once the pores get clogged, the pores walls get stretched out. So deep cleaning the pores is the first step to actually look like you have smaller pores, but nothing will make them go away, because pore size really comes from hereditary and also skin type. But you can of course make your pores look smaller and less pronounced, which is a healthy skin. This machine uses negative pressure and gentle exfoliation solution to create a vortex that dissolves and extracts impurities, including dead skin cells, blackheads, and excess sebum, and leave your skin flooded with hydration from the solution. I really love that to have everything on this case, and it fits together really nice and neatly, and you can store it on it as well as charge on. And it comes with different little tips: a large tip, a medium tip, and a small tip. I'm going to do a full tutorial in this video, so I'll show what each tip does. I think it looks pretty cool, and it looks like something that your dermatologist or esthetician would use, so it looks very professional, very solid, and well made. It's made in Korea, and I find that Korean products are really high quality from the making, from the actual technology. As you guys know, I love Korean products. It has a filter here that it comes with 2 extra filters, and you have to change them after a few uses. This is where you're going to change the tips. I'm going to go through all the settings and how you replace the tips, what I'm doing in the tutorial. It also comes with this solution, which is the Aqua Facial Solution. You can use with your own solutions as well, as long as it has to be a very thin viscosity, and I'll show that in the tutorial. Or you can use with their own solution that has acids that really help to loosen all the dead skin and the blackheads. So now let's get to the tutorial. Make sure your skin is washed and clean from any makeup. The first step is to add the solution to the machine. You open up this area. You add 15 ml of solution to the shorter tube, and it just pops out like that. When you're putting back into the tube, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little lip in here, and that fits right there. So that makes it easier. See the little lip there? It has to be completely straight, like that. So this is where you put the actual solution that is going to go into your pores, and this is where all the blackheads and the clogged pores are going to be. So we shall see how it looks on my skin. Okay, next is to change the actual heads. So this is, you open it up like that, and this is where you're going to put the head. I'm going to start with the medium tip first, so let's put it on. It was in pretty easy. So with the medium tip, you're going to use the green setting. So you press this, and then as you can see is green. Green setting is what you're going to use for your cheeks, and this area you cannot go on your under your eye, and also use it on your cheeks and chin. So let's go for it, guys. But it's my first time using, so I'm a little nervous. So let's see if I can do this by looking into the monitor. I'm just kind of tapping a little bit to get a little bit of the solution, using a linear move. So I'm gonna hold this and let's start. Wow, it's very strong, guys. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, see how, oh, wow. See how it's going to the other. Oh, wow, guys. I already got some blackheads. Whoa. I've got a little red. You're not supposed to stay on the same area for more than 3 seconds, so hopefully I didn't injure myself here, but let's try again. Do a little movements like that to release some of the liquid to be easier to do the drag. So this is from this side. Ooh, I got pretty red. Let's see how I do on the other side. Again, it's my first time using it, so I'm bound to make some mistakes, but I will for sure let you guys know how it turned out the next day. I will come back and do a little... okay, so let's do it again. I'm just dragging. It's pretty strong, guys. But I think I'm doing better on this side. Let's do my chin now, because I have a lot of congestion there.
Is it suction?
Yeah.
You gotta do this on me. The water will turn black.
Wow. It's pretty powerful. I got really red here and here. I'm gonna do a little bit under my nose, but I'm gonna leave the small tip for the corners here. Wow, first of all, let's take a look at the actual container here. I'm gonna turn it off, so you press and hold. So it's off. The first one I did, I think I went pretty strong because I was kind of like really pressuring. As you guys can see, I'm redder on this side. And on this one, I was a little more gentle because I kind of knew what I was doing. But let's take a look at the actual container because I got some blackheads there, guys. So let me see. It's kind of gross. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see them there? My blackheads, the deep set ones. Oh, gross. So far, I'm quite impressed, and there was a lot of black dots there, guys. I didn't even know I had them there. I didn't think I had blackheads on this area, but I sure did. So let's try now my forehead. So I'm gonna change the tip. I'm gonna take this off here, which you just pull it out. And this part you can actually clean this part later, you know, put in a little water and clean it. So now I'm going to put the large tip, which will be for my forehead. So let's see, I still have some liquid here. Let me hold. And now it's on blue. You just press it one more time and it gets into the blue setting. So now let's do my forehead, guys. Again, I'm gonna tap a little bit to get some of the liquid there, just to make it easier to apply the liquid. There you go. Once I get a couple of the liquid going, just makes it easier, then I'm gonna slide. And there. And right there. And oops. Oh, you know what that happens? Whenever you tilt the machine, it stops because it feels like you ran out of liquid. So you just press it again and make sure you hold it straight. I divided my forehead in two. I'm gonna add a little more of the solution. Since this is the first time using it, guys, I find that I'm probably gonna have more solution than normally because I'm still learning. But normally you should be able to do a whole session with the 15 ml, but I'm gonna add some more just because I'm still learning the machine. That's why it's good to show you guys a first impression. That way if you have the same situation, you can troubleshoot it on the spot and you can learn with me. I only have a little bit more of my forehead to do. So now you press and hold. And you got the green, and then you press it again. And now that you got the blue, I'm gonna finish my forehead. Gonna do like that a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm done with my forehead. Pretty much. Oh wow, it's so soft. Yeah, I think I'm pretty done with forehead. So I'm gonna press and hold. And now let's do my nose. I'm pretty excited for my nose, guys. So the nose is the small tip. This is fun. I really like it. And look, it's already not as red anymore. So far, so good. I'm so excited is my nose, which is my trouble area. So I put the small tip there. And I should have enough solution. So I'm gonna press, hold, and then you get green, blue, and red. Get up and close in here and let's do this. With the nose, it's good to hold a little bit hot. It's good to have the area kind of stretched, okay? So let me start with the tipping a little bit so you can get some liquid in there. Okay, so... oh, wow. I'm gonna try underneath here now. Oh, wow. Okay, for the nose, I find that pressing it down is better than going up. Like, going down is a lot easier. Let's do the top. Wow, I have a lot of blackheads here, guys. So let me... wow. Yes, so when you do the nose, instead of going up, go down. It's just a lot easier. So let me turn it off now. And let's take a look. Wow, I have a lot of dots in there. If you guys can see. I'm pretty impressed. And the first one that I did that was pretty red is not too bad. Again, this is my first time using it, it's a first impression. So far, I love it. I feel like the suction was really, really intense. And as you guys can see, I have a lot of things in here. But I confess, this is my first time using it and I'm going really taking it easy because I want to make sure I am, you know, good with my skin so I'm not overdoing it. And I feel like also as a tip, if you have sensitive skin, you should go pretty easy on the first one. And then as you get the hang of it, you can kind of like do more. But I definitely will use this again. Like I feel like the texture of the skin is a lot softer. Like it really deep cleaned the pores. I love it, guys. I really do. And I'm going to definitely continue using it. And also, if you have any liquid left, you can put it back in the container because this liquid doesn't get, you know, tainted. You only discard this one, which if you guys see, it's pretty nasty. I have a lot of clogged pores. The whites are clogged pores and the little black dots are blackheads. Pretty cool, guys. You can use once a week or once every 2 weeks depending on your needs. Since I have very sensitive skin, I'm gonna see how my skin feels tomorrow. I actually come back to do like a quick update tomorrow just to show you my skin. But so far so good, guys. I love it. I am super excited to have this at home so I can have clear pores finally. So this is my skin the next day and I feel like it looks pretty glowy, pretty soft. The texture of the skin, it's super, super soft. I feel like it really worked well on my congestion, especially underneath here. And you can kind of see where some of the extractions happen. But it doesn't look red or inflamed. It looks pretty good. To clean it, I put it back the tip that comes with it. I took all the tips and I'm gonna wash them as well. The tips that I've used, and I put distilled water here and I put everything back. I clean this container, so you press and hold and then press it again. You got the blue and the green, now you got the red, and now you got the white, and the white is the cleaning mode. As you guys can see, it's running through the machine and cleaning any debris or anything that is going on. So that is the white mode, guys. I'm just gonna let it run so that way all the water from here is here and the machine is nice and clean. And I suggest to definitely clean this every time you use it so that way you can have, you know, a good functioning machine. But I'm really excited. I love it. Let me know if you have any questions below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you're healthy and safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.